I think today's cruise news story, well, honestly, it could be an episode of World's Dumbest Criminals. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and today we're here to talk about doing dumb criminal things on cruise ships. In this specific case, we're talking about using stolen credit cards to pay to go on your cruise. So we have a 31-year-old woman named Lexis Moore from Raleigh, North Carolina. Well, she has been charged with using 8 stolen credit cards, which she used to go on a 7-night cruise aboard Oasis of the Seas and racked up charges of $22,425. Now, when the ship got back to port on February the 26th, the Miami-Dade Police Department, well, they were there. They were waiting for her, and they did find 4 of the stolen credit cards actually in her possession. Now, I'm not real sure where the logic is behind all of this. I know credit cards get stolen, credit card fraud is committed all the time, identity theft, you hear about it all the time. But in the case of a cruise, you have to book the cruise using your name. You have to get on board the ship with your ID, whether it's your government issued ID, your birth certificate, or a passport. They take pictures of you. So any form of payment that you use on this cruise, it is directly associated to you and to your name. So I'm not really surprised that when she used stolen credit cards in order to get on the ship, and $22,000, she had 2 cabins booked, but unless she booked, 2 suites, you figure she had 2 regular cabins. That means she had the Wi-Fi packages, drink packages, excursions, just freely spent anything and everything that she wanted in order to get it up to $22,000. I'm really not surprised she got caught, and I'm really curious to know, was there a look of surprise on her face when she got off the ship and the police were there waiting for her? I hope she enjoyed the cruise, because right now she faces 8 counts of grand theft, 8 counts of use of a fraudulent credit card, and 4 counts of unlawful possession of a stolen credit card. So she has some charges behind her. We'll have to see what happens once she goes to court. But at this time, she was there. She had the cards in her possession. She at least really looks very guilty, at least today. But I guess let this be a lesson to you. If you're a criminal and you're using stolen credit cards, I advise you not to take a cruise, because those cards are going to be associated to the ID that you use to get on board that ship. Okay? And they check these IDs. They do background checks, because you're going through customs. You got to clear, immigration. So this is the kind of stuff that they check. And if you do these kind of activities, there's a pretty good chance you're gonna get caught. But you guys let me know what you think. Do y'all think that this belongs on an episode of The World's Dumbest Criminals? Because like I said at the beginning, I kind of think it does. Alright, and that's our quick news video for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.